Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing files and getting them into Happy Scribe. Sign in and confirm your account, then select the transcription or subtitle product. Once signed in, click Upload and choose MP3, WAV, MP4, or paste a URL. Large files may be queued, so trim if needed. Make sure to pick the correct language and indicate expected speaker count. This influences accuracy and time. After you upload, the file enters processing, and you'll see a progress indicator. Watch it to know when the editor opens. Once the editor loads, begin refining. Listen while the text highlights so you can correct misheard words in context. You'll want to assign speaker labels where needed and use the timestamp jumps to fix long segments quickly. Use the autocorrect feature for common mistakes and add glossary entries for names or jargon. This improves reprocessing. Make punctuation changes and split or merge segments to match speech. If you prefer speed, use keyboard shortcuts to play, rewind, and accept suggestions so editing stays efficient. To finish, select Export and pick the format you need: SRT or VTT for subtitles, DocX or TXT for transcripts, or JSON for integrations. Once exported, play the file with subtitles or scan the document to confirm sync and speaker accuracy. Make small post-export edits if necessary. If timing drifts or speakers are swapped, adjust language, speaker count, or glossary and reprocess the file. If problems persist, note the file ID and contact Happy Scribe support. Provide examples so they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.